Hi, hello everybody. This is Miss Henderson. I'm going to show you how to make a animated GIF today. First of all, you want to open your camera and you want to take a few pictures of yourself doing something. Like maybe you're going yes or no. So I'm going to do yes. I want to take my pictures. Once you have the pictures done, you want to take at least 3. You want to go to Online Image Editor and you're going to hit the Choose File option. So the files you're going to upload are going to be in your Downloads folder. You need to make sure you move them from your camera roster to your Downloads folder. So I've already previously saved some pictures in my photography folder from myself going, All right, so once you figure out the pictures that you want to go ahead and open them. So you click on the picture and hit open, and then you have to hit upload. And it opens it in a new window with a delay of 1,000 seconds. So here's the pictures that I already uploaded here, and I'm ready to do it. Once you have the 3 pictures, you're going to hit Create Animation. And it's going to create the image animation. Now, if you don't like it, I think this needs to be cropped. You can hit Edit at Image Editor, and it brings up this online image editor. And I'm going to click the crop button, and then I'm going to hit the save button. I think I have too much background here, so I'm going to crop that out. I don't want people to focus on my bright fluorescent lights in my classroom. So I'm going to crop that and hit Apply. You can also add text if you want to add text, or add a border, or change the color, or photo border. There's lots of things to do. All right, so I'm basically done. I like my animation, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. And then it says, where do you want to save it? I'm going to hit Save Image Local. And here on the right-hand side, I see that it has already gone into my Downloads folder. And if I go into my Files menu, I go to my Files menu, I see that it's downloaded there, and I can hit, if I hit the preview button, it will play for me. I don't know why my computer is acting so slow, but that's how you make an animated GIF. Just make sure you have at least 3 pictures and 1,000 seconds delay in between each one.